So what do we do now? It's not there.
Hey ho, Simba! Away!
Okay, now I have no idea what we're doing.
Lost it all. I wasn't thinking.
How much longer am I in timeout?
I told you it's a day spa. You're here for the day. It's nice.
I've been thinking.
Telling you, this is gonna work.
I know, buddy. I have faith. Oh, sorry. I thought all the benches had disappeared.
You thought the benches were gone?
I thought they were gone.